Hi Ian, thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us. I'm really inspired by your journey and how you accomplished a lead role in retail, and I'm really excited to hear about your experiences with Nike. Thank you so much.
Hi, Ian. We're very fortunate to have someone like you come and speak to us, giving us an inside look at what it's like to work at a company like Nike. I'm really looking forward to learning from you.
Hello, Ian. As someone who loves football and Nike, it's so cool to have a speaker that has had success in both of these fields, and I can't wait to learn more about you.
Hi Ian, we're so excited to have you with us today, and what's really interesting is the way you've managed your professional life, your academics, and your professional football career as well.
Hello Ian, thank you for taking the time to talk with our class today. As you've been working on assignments for Nike this semester, having some of your insights into the company is sure to prove valuable for our final project. Thanks again.
Hi Ian, I find it very inspiring how you don't see life as a linear thing and practice living in the moment. I can't wait to hear about your career journey, and thank you for taking the time to speak to us.